Two of the most common health plan types are HMO and PPO. Knowing the difference can save you money and headaches.
I'm Maya, and today we're making HMO and PPO simple.
HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization. PPO stands for Preferred Provider Organization. But what matters is how they work.
At a glance, HMOs usually cost less each month, but give you less flexibility. PPOs cost more, but give you more freedom.
With an HMO, you usually choose a primary care doctor, your main doctor, who coordinates your care. To see a specialist, you'll generally need a referral from that primary doctor first, or the visit may not be covered.
And HMOs usually only cover in-network care, except in emergencies. Go out of network and you'll often pay the full bill.
A PPO out-of-network care is covered, but you'll pay a higher share, so it still pays to stay in-network.
Here's a quick example. An HMO might charge a $30 copay for a specialist visit, while a PPO might charge $60 for the same visit. You're paying for flexibility. HMOs usually charge lower monthly premiums, which is the trade-off for less flexibility.
PPOs usually have higher premiums, but you're paying for the freedom to see specialists directly. Before you choose, check whether your regular doctors are in the plan's network. That's especially important with an HMO. Emergency care is usually handled differently, including many out-of-network emergencies.
Quick recap. HMOs usually cost less, but require referrals and keep you in network.
PPOs cost more, but let you see almost any doctor without a referral.
Match the plan to how you use care and which doctors you want to see.
I'm Maya. If this helped, hit subscribe. Let's make insurance simple.